Hey, Tim's Workshop here. Hey, we're going to fix a Dewalt shop radio. I'll show you what's going on with it here. So this the Dewalt shop radio. This is the on-off, and this is the tuner over here. The tuner is not working very well. So we'll turn it on here. And it's on FM right now. And see, it's bouncing around. It's not working good. It's going from 60 to 70, 70, back to 60. It's just not working. But if you use this part of it's working like it should. Make sure it's not bouncing around too. No, looks like it's working good. So what I'm going to do is first take this apart and shoot some cleaner in that and see if that works. If not, we're going to have to take this thing apart. What happens is it gets corrosion, right? Even though this is a heavy duty out in the rain type unit, it's sitting out here in the garage, and which is cold, and electronics don't work well in the cold or moist areas. Yep, after a while everything starts corroding on them. All right, so let me get going on this and I'll bring it back in. Okay, so I used a screwdriver to pop off the top, and it's got one flat side on it. Hopefully you can see that. And let's get this turned over to the side here. So you can see there's a little access point right here. So I'm going to take some CRC OD electric cleaner and put a little nozzle on it. And we'll shoot a little bit of this in there. And then just kind of set this on there. Not put it on all the way yet. And turn it back and forth. Let's see if that works. It's working so far. Cool. So it just needed a little bit of spray, and now it works. All right, so for any of you that need to know how to fix your tuner on your radio, that's how you do it. Enjoy the video. Please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification ding-a-ling bell, and leave me a like. Thanks.